Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friend list from your profile on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken back into your homepage, from which if you wish to hide your friend list, just click on your profile icon alongside the What's on Your Mind box. You will then be taken into your profile page. Now all of the friends within your friend list will be visible to your friends and anyone who visits your profile if your profile is not actively locked. So tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and underneath Audience and Visibility, you will see the Profile Locking option. Go ahead and click on this and you will now be able to lock your profile so that your friend list will not be visible to anyone. Just tap on the Lock Your Profile button and you will now be told that your profile has successfully been locked. After your profile has been locked, your friend list will not be able to be viewed by anyone else apart from you on Facebook. And you can change this setting at any point of time in the future if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your friend list on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.